10 side hustles you can start in 2025 with no experience. If you're looking for real ways to make extra money and eventually escape your 9-to-5 job, this video is for you. These are 10 side hustles you can start right now, even if you have zero experience. If you find any of these helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos breaking down how to build your escape plan. Let's get into it. Side Hustle 1. Digital product templates. People don't want to design things from scratch. They want done-for-them templates. You can create resume templates, social media post templates, business planning templates, or budget spreadsheets. Use free tools like Canva to design them, then sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. One good template can sell hundreds or even thousands of times. You create it once, and it keeps earning while you sleep. Side Hustle 2. Voiceover services. You don't need professional studio gear to start doing voiceovers. Thousands of businesses and creators need voice recordings for videos, ads, training, and podcasts. With a basic microphone and some free audio editing software, you can record clean voiceovers from home. Check platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Every video uploaded online needs a voice, and most people don't want to do it themselves. Side Hustle 3. Amazon KDP Low-Content Publishing. You don't need to write a full book to make money with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish low-content books like journals, planners, or logbooks. Design simple covers and interiors using free tools like Canva. Once uploaded, Amazon prints and ships the books every time you make a sale. Thousands of people make passive income this way without writing a single word. Side Hustle 4. Remote notary services. Becoming a licensed notary is fast and inexpensive in most states. Once certified, you can offer remote notarizations for legal documents entirely online. Remote notary services exploded after 2020, and companies constantly need legal paperwork handled virtually. It's simple, scalable, and pays well for the time involved. Side Hustle 5. Print-on-demand niche stores. Print-on-demand lets you sell physical products without ever touching inventory. Instead of generic designs, focus on hyper-specific niches. Dog breeds, hobbies, professions, fitness subcultures. Design simple graphics or hire affordable designers. Your supplier handles printing and shipping. You focus on designs that emotionally connect with small, passionate groups who are ready to buy. Side Hustle 6. Local business content creation. Most small businesses have no idea how to make short-form content for social media. Offer to shoot simple video clips for restaurants, salons, gyms, or shops. Side Hustle 7. Digital course reselling. You don't need to create your own course to make money. You can become an affiliate for other people's courses. Promote them on social media, start a blog, or create simple YouTube videos explaining why the course is valuable. You earn commissions for every sale you generate. Some courses pay $50, $100, or even several $100s per sale. Side Hustle 8. Remote virtual assistant. Businesses everywhere hire virtual assistants for remote work. You can manage emails, schedule appointments, handle social media, or organize spreadsheets, all from home. No special skills are required, just organization, communication, and consistency. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or VA agencies have thousands of open listings. Side Hustle 9. Mobile app testing. App developers need real people to test their apps before launch. You can get paid to give feedback, report bugs, and suggest improvements. Sites like User Testing or Test.io pay you for every app test you complete. No coding required, just a phone, an internet connection, and basic attention to detail. Side Hustle 10. Website flipping. You don't need to build a massive website from scratch. Find small starter sites for sale. Improve the SEO, add affiliate links, polish the design, and resell for profit. Platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Micro Acquire have marketplaces full of deals. With research, you can turn a $500 website into $2,000 or more with a few simple upgrades. The truth is, there are more opportunities than ever to escape the 9-to-5 trap. But most people stay stuck because they spend years thinking about it instead of testing. Pick one. Start simple. Stack wins over time. If you want more videos breaking down how to build your escape plan, subscribe right now. This is Escape the 9-to-5. Your freedom starts today.